Oh. What? 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 What in the world? Oh. Buddy. Well, that's what I'm dealing with right there. World's smallest bass. Oh yeah, I was waiting on that guy. Little sunfish. Whew. Had to come all the way down here to get on some microfish before it even put on. Boy, they are getting every freaking barb in them today, y'all. I mean, just look at that. On a size 2 inline spinner blue fox. Wow. I got to take him to the pliers session because, like, he hit it. I mean, that's what makes the day right there. Instead of coming out here catching absolutely zero from the Labor Day pressure. Yep. Oh yeah, look at that one right there, baby. Yes sir, that'll do it for tonight. Not the biggest by means, but after a tough ass grind, I'll take it any day. Let's get him rinsed off. Oh yeah, right there. Nice little one. Hidden up under some cover. He fought like a champ. That's what I love about smallmouth, y'all. They fight like champions. Makes their cousins, the largemouth, looks lazy. That's a nice little fish. He's a chunk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Take off in a hurry. Right up in that cover right there. Just drift and jig right along through there, and sure enough hit it. I had to tread the ways down here to get away from all the pressure of the holiday fishing, so it paid off. But I don't not encourage you to go out. Always should get out. Yep, on a little salt and pepper micro tube. Oh, I missed one. Did he come back for it? Oh, I missed it. Ah, jeez. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Third species of the day. Little rock bass. Yeah. Ooh, it looks like they might be spawning back there. He's been tearing his tail up in some cover. Oh yeah, third species of the day. After that grind, come out here for a little twilight bite. I'll take that any day. Just cruising off. Come on, bud. There he goes. Hold up, y'all. There is a white caterpillar right there.